Alright, what's up, guys? Today we're gonna install this little thing. I guess after 2022, they stopped coming out with the little M3 emblem, but we're gonna show you how to fix it or replace it for you.
Yeah, that bad boy in here. Actually, it's a little too thick.
When can I hire you to wash my car?
Alright, it's gonna make a popping sound. This is too thick, so let me go get my other pry tool. Kind of work your way around, and then it should come out. That's scary. And then there she goes. And she's out. And then these are it right here. And then you just slap. And then you just take off the tape. Boom.